What's up guys? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Orbs again po, and of course another blessed day and another reaction video tayo. Samahan niyo ako ngayon guys, panoorin ang performance ni Carmel at chill lang tayo today. And yeah, kung bago ka sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod natin videos. Tara na, panoorin na natin to, sabay-sabay tayong mag-chill, mag-relax. And pakinggan ang performance ni Carmel. Sa Showtime to guys ha, by the way. Alright, let's do this, let's go! Very surprising yung atake dito sa, sa opening ng performance ni Carmel, no? I know guys, some of you kilala si Carmel. Si Carmel po ay pumasok din sa bahay ni Kuya. And when it comes on singing, very, very talented talaga siya.
I want to stay.
Very beautiful, very, subtle lang yung dating. Ang atake ni Carmel dito ay very, parang, pang performance na talaga siya kagaya sa Sunday All Out, yung mga ganon, diba? Diba? Ganon na yung atake niya. So, si Carmel po ay isa din po sa mga sumali at nakilala sa tawag ng tanghalan.
Stay forever, but now that you're gone, all I can do is pray for you.
Guys, parang sobrang familiar sa akin tong Stay, no? Kasi ang title dito ng official YouTube channel ng ABS-CBN Entertainment ay Carmel performs her latest single, Stay, on its Showtime stage. But guys, I think the Stay is sung by, original by MYMP. I think sila yata yung original. Please comment down below kung tama ako guys, kung ang Stay nga na kinakanta ngayon ni Carmel ay kinanta ng MYMP. But dito nakalagay is latest single, so I'm a bit confused, no? Latest single daw niya, or baka naman version niya ng Stay. Baka yun yung ibig sabihin.
To be here beside me again.
Woo!
Why did you have to leave me?
I think she has been, having trouble sa kanyang earpiece. Sa mga nakakaalam po, yung earpiece na yan, parang yung guide nila sa tone, sa tune.
When you said the love will come, girl, why did you have to leave?
Ooh, sexy! Narinig niyo ba yun guys? And the emotion, no, she puts on that song, it's very, parang papasabog na siya.
When you said that dreaming was as good as reality.
Nagsisigawan yung mga tao sa audience, no? Sobrang saya siguro nito kung, live natin itong pinapanood. As I always said sa mga previous vlog ko guys, sana one day makapanood tayo ng live ng mga performances ng ating mga paboritong singers.
And always for fun, try to forget all the memories of you and me.
Yung voice quality ni Carmel guys is very, very unique, no? Like, parang sobrang high tone siya. So, kahit mababa yung kinakanta niya or in a melody, low melody, buong buo yung tunog ng boses niya, no? Sobrang ganda.
But I can't let go of your love that has taught me.
Woo!
To
Sexy.
hold on. I want you to stay, never go away from me.
Hey, sobrang ganda. Sobrang sweet. Parang new star. Ganun yung atake ni Carmel.
Stay forever, but now
mo ba guys na parang hindi nakakasawa pakinggan yung boses ni Carmel? Na parang kahit everyday ko tong pakinggan in a chill, rainy season day, sobrang ito yung magpaparelax sa akin ng malala. Kahit na, alam mo yun, very emotional yung song, no?
To be here beside me again. Why did you have to leave me?
Very relaxed lang, wala masyadong tension sa boses, pero yung emotion is nandun.
When you said the love will conquer all, why did you have to leave me? You said that dreaming was as good as reality.
Hey! Nakita mo ba yung mata niya? Sobrang nangungusap yung mata niya, no? It's very aligned to the song. Yung emotion, facial expression, sobrang nice. Galing.
And I must move on. Try to forget all the memories
Woo! Emosyon!
of you and me. But I can't let go of your love that has torn me.
As you can see guys, parang she's having a little bit medyo uncomfortable feeling siguro sa naririnig niya sa kanyang earpiece.
To hold on. Why did you have to leave me when you said the love will conquer all? Why did you have to leave me? You said that dreaming was as good as reality.
Hey, the flavor! Hindi ba talaga ang, atake sa kanta na to? I think nga guys, this is not the, original. Of course, yung stay is, I believe nga sa MYP ko to narinig eh. Please comment down below guys para ma-educate ako, ma-enlighten naman ako.
Oh, why did you have to leave me when you said the love will conquer all?
Hey! Take my body, baby. Sobrang ganda. Ulitin natin yung part na yun, no? Let's do this. Let's do it again.
When you said the love will conquer all.
Hey!
When you said the dreaming was as good as reality.
Okay, Carmel. Okay. Kakaiba. Spicy. Sobrang spicy nun. Yung tone na yun. Sobrang ganda.
I want you to stay and fuck all away from me. Stay forever.
Hey. Hey. Ang ganda ng performance na yan and sobrang ganda din ni Carmel. Hi Carmel, sana pag napanood mo to, comment ka naman or like mo naman to. Sobrang nice ng performance, chill lang, inisihan lang tayo ni Carmel sa performance niya ng kanyang latest single na Stay, no? Or kanyang version ng Stay. Sobrang nice, beautiful, spicy, sexy, Carmel. Okay, I think guys, that's it for today. I hope nag-enjoy din kayo guys sa panonood kasama ko, no? Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin sa performance ni Carmel noon sa tawag ng or sa showtime ng kanyang latest single na Stay or version ng Stay. I think guys, that's it for today. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin, and kung bago ka po sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod nating video. Yun lang po, maraming salamat. Kita-kita po tayo sa susunod. Thank you so much.